Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Let's take her down. Dive, breathe, go ahead. True power 9 planes, 3 degrees. We'll take it out easy. Natural 10 flames. Speed 06 on 100 knots. Stand by to now. Steer 30 degrees. Main induction play full. Steady as you go, slow. Flood the main ballast tanks. The coast behind. You'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right, easy red lights. Set course directly over the lost city. Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
There's not much to see on the surface of the ocean, but here below lies a strange and mysterious world filled with diverse creatures and a complex topography of plains, trenches, mountains, and even volcanoes. In fact, our destination today is a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape.
Well, that's when the guy... No, do you remember that?
These remnants of ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. Steer 40 degrees. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only one distance towards an amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 4,000 kilometres. As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind.
Radar 1, send us all ahead, sir.
No worries, we'll take it down fast indeed. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
What did that bird?
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat, but now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk. Hold her steady, take her into the current. Land standard. The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle. Look at you!
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son!
Oh, I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know. That's why we're trying to find him.
By who?
My son, Nemo! You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Oh, I got a shot. See the
Yes.
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge!
Right then. I am a live shark, not a mindless eating machine. Keep our friends off food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You can put one of these balloons. That's it. Easy.
Terminal station. System check.
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead and roll.
He's squirt. I don't know. Right you there. Okay, go.
Dory!
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
Oh, yeah,
I see them
it
too.
is. No, it's big.
It's getting closer. It's me.
I know it's you. It could be anybody.
It's not Eddie. It's me.
Do I know?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? Looks like light.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon. Boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Smart and fancy. Boing.
Stop playing games! Don't go away. Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo! I found you! I was so worried! You're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Ooh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf a volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales are eating krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one of our whales. Wait, Daddy. This is a long way.
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it that hot? That's funny. Sounded like hold on tight. I'm gonna just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! What?
into any of this for the long.
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid. We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Gostou?
Station delivery watch. Rim check for Lori.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 290.
Call ahead 1/3. Stand by.